All right, here is the Loop 100, the Bluetooth USB-A adapter for PC from Shokz. They have a USB-C version as well, but my work computer has more USB-A options than C options. So I recently purchased the OpenRun Pro Shokz headphones. They do not come with a USB connection, but it should work with this guy. I previously have, and still technically have, the OpenComm UC, and they do come with a USB adapter, which is pretty nice. The USB is just gonna be USB Bluetooth, but I'm gonna plug these into a work computer, and sometimes Bluetooth on those kind of devices can be wonky. So I wanna pair this to my work computer with this. It's already paired to my phone via Bluetooth, and that works pretty good. At least with the other one, this OpenComm UC, it works very good to bounce from USB-A back to the headphones. So I'm hoping this one works just as well, if not better. All right, so let's take a look-see. Let me crack this bad boy open. One of the smallest unboxings I've ever done. So there's a lot of paperwork. Shokz 100 USB-A Bluetooth adapter booklet, and then just a tiny little USB-A guy here. And basically it's just the Shokz logo on a USB with the little physical button, which is basically the exact same one that came with this one. Now they are having newer models of the OpenComm UC, so they have a different one, so maybe they're gonna upgrade this in the future, who knows. But for now, this is what they offer, this or the USB-C variant. And they should be essentially the same thing, just one is USB-A and one is USB-C. Now oddly enough, I am gonna use it with a USB-A, but this laptop only has USB-C available, so I gotta use this adapter. If I was to use it on this laptop, of course, the USB-C dongle would be better, but for my use case, I will be using a device with USB-A. At least at the time of purchase, there was no price difference between the A or the C variant. All right, so it says start with the device powered off. It's off, all right, and it says press and hold the volume plus button until the LED indicator flashes red and blue. So it's flashing red and blue here. And now I will plug the USB adapter into an A port, and then it's flashing blue here. Oh yeah, it shows the Aftershock Loop 100 here in my list. That's loud. Okay, yeah, so it's working. So you can tell it's playing there. And then if I press the multifunction button, I believe it will pause. It did. It stopped playing there. So you can see it's at 42 seconds. And if I press this again, so now it's playing again. All right. And really, that's about it. And now on my phone, I'm gonna tell it to connect to the OpenRun Pro as well. Unplug this. So it beeped in my ear when I unplugged that. All right, let's try it the other way. Let's power this back off. Turn red when it goes off. Now we'll turn it back on. So now it's on. I'm gonna turn it back to the Bluetooth connection. Maybe I do this one first. Now let's hold it down until it starts flashing again. So now it's flashing. So I'm gonna connect it back to the app on the OpenRun Pros. And let's go back to this app. Now it does, so I'm gonna turn multi-point pairing on. There we go. So when I turn on multiple pairing, now it shows the Shokz Loop. So let me plug that in and I'll turn this back. All right, so now we have our two devices, right? You can see it pairs both to my phone and to the Aftershock Loop. So now I should be able to play this. So now you can hear it's playing. And now let me hit play on here. Now you can hear it in my ear. And let me hit play on this. Okay, so maybe it doesn't do it so seamlessly. So now they're both paused. Let me play this one. All right, so that worked. Some foul language there. And now we'll play this one. Okay, so it does work pretty seamlessly like that. So that's pretty good.